What is up, guys? Juju33 here, and we're reviewing these. Okay. We're getting Slitterbun season passes tomorrow, so we're buying the goggles and everything. So I know you guys waited a long time for me to get the passes, but we're gonna get them.
I don't care about you getting.
Yeah, no. People asked me because I told them I was gonna get passes. Someone asked me, but yeah, we're gonna get them probably tomorrow. We're gonna go over there tomorrow. Actually, we're gonna go swimming tomorrow.
Yeah, without you.
So in this video, we're just gonna review real quick the splash and swim goggles, lunetes de natación. That's what they're called in Spanish. You're gonna drop the camera.
I opened this. Oh, Jared. Who ships Jared with Morgan Adams? I don't.
Morgan does.
You're ugly as hell. How is this supposed to be for an adult?
Yo, this is a bit of trash.
Okay, we haven't reviewed it yet, so I don't know. Oh, and they make it easier for the adults, right? Yeah.
How do you use this?
I have no idea. Graham, take us to the
Hey,
Dollar
turn the
Tree.
music off.
Or no, not the Dollar Tree, the Dollar General. Or the Family Dollar.
We can get the locks
See what I'm
tomorrow.
talking about, Drew? Where you put the camera and I'm passing it here.
It's off though.